Yo, thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Why they tooting us? Hey, look, hey. What they do? Hey, everybody making all these dances, Wu-Tang, do the thick girl, the bop, all that. She got a dome, the wig. This dance, I made this up, but I ain't make it up. But I made the title of the dance, you know what I'm saying, for females to do while I'm behind them, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's called the SWAT. Listen to my dog T Streets on the hook, you know what I'm saying? This how it go.
Do SWAT. Baby girl, shake that ass, let me see you SWAT. Man, bring it back, let me see you do the SWAT. Baby girl, do the SWAT. Let me see you do the
SWAT. Wobble that ass in the titty.
Do the SWAT.
Wobble that ass in the titty.
Do the SWAT.
Wobble that ass in the titty.
Do the SWAT.
Wobble that ass in the titty. Now
SWAT. Baby girl, do the SWAT. Baby girl, do the
ooh, girl, don't do me. Let me do you. Lift your skirt up so you can get my dick up. Slide to the grill so we can go and fuck. Let me throw you on the bed. Let me hit it from the back so I can lean in between. One hard stroke, girl, I can make it stream. Ain't looking for no dime, but she gotta have a big behind slide next to her. I ain't wasting no time. I call my dog T Streets, he picked up his G1. Hey, I said, dog, we got shows, do you want one? L on bad, and all they do is SWAT. I treat them like the strippers when I pull out the guap. Thursday night at the booth, at the spot. Niggas start playing, let me see you SWAT. Do the SWAT. Baby girl, let me see you do the SWAT. Girl, let me see you do the SWAT. Wobble that ass in the titty.
Let me SWAT.
Wobble that ass in the titty.
Do the SWAT.
Wobble that ass in the titty.
Do the SWAT.
Wobble that ass in the titty.
Do the SWAT. Baby girl, do the.
Hey,
baby girl,
I'm out here, you know what I'm saying? Title of the dance called the SWAT. Once again, SWAT, wobble that ass in the titty. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm out here. This the new club dance for all the females. No niggas. Only females.
Great.
No females. So I see a dude doing this, dog. You homo, dog.
Don't do this. You can't do this if you a nigga. You can't do this. Alright?
Paul, Mike, Gerard. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck with all y'all.
207, man. What it do?
Holla at y'all.